Yes, thank you so much and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to try and design something. Uh, we are going to use a picture of Antonio Griezmann, but first of all, let us try to make some lines here. As you know very well, Atletico Madrid uses red and white. So I'll be picking some boxes right there. Then after that, I'll press Alt, copy this. I'll press Alt to copy that, as you can see. So that is what I wanted. Then I'll go to my downloads. In my downloads, I had downloaded Antonio Griezmann. Then I'll just drag him up right here, as you can see. I've dragged him up here. So there he is. This is Antonio Griezmann. So we are going to try and make a poster. I don't know which number he plays, but I'll try to make something out of it. You can see, let us try to move him. I'm using the directional keys to move. As you can see, I'm using the direction keys to move, but then I'll be looking for a logo for Atletico Madrid. I'll go to my desktop because I had downloaded some logos from a certain site. So I'll just look for those logos and in a folder called football. Yeah, I think it is football. So I'll just slop here, then look for spine. I didn't spell it well, but that is, so I'll just drag it right here. After dragging it, I'll press Ctrl T in order to transform it to specific size I want. Then I'll press Shift and Alt, but it doesn't go out of my size that I want. Then I'll move it up right here. So this is the Atletico Madrid badge or logo, as you can see. Then right here, I'll be writing in the word, or I'll be writing Antonio Griezmann. I don't even know the spelling of Antonio Griezmann, but I'll be looking for it here. Griezmann, yeah. I'll be writing it here, let's say. This is it in white. I'll put the caps lock on. Griezmann. Yeah, I think that is it. So I'll have to move it. I'll use the move tool. So I'll go back to my type tool. I have to let me use impact, I think, or use big noodle. This is whether I'm having big noodle. Now we use impact. Thank you so much for watching my video. Consider subscribing for more videos.